Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing a clean and decorate with me for Sultan's 9th birthday. I don't have too much cleaning to do. I'm just going to wash my cutting boards and a couple of things in the sink. Clean the sink. As you can see, the chairs are already up. I'm ready to vacuum and mop. The kids got back on Friday, so the house really wasn't a mess at all. I'm filming this on a Saturday. Now I'm starting vacuuming all the floors. I really wanted to get the cleaning out of the way because the balloon delivery was coming. I think this was about maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours before guests were to arrive. This all took me total about an hour and 15 minutes to do. Plus we had to get ready, get our kimonos on, and I did show you guys what that looks like at the end. Now I'm going to quickly seam mop, not like really thoroughly. Before the kids leave, every Thursday, they leave on Friday. So every Thursday we all clean, and that's when I do a deeper clean. But this is really just like dusting the floors, I guess, because my guests typically don't wear their shoes in the house, but I also don't want anybody to leave with black socks. Here's some of the decorations that we ordered. Amazon got our order completely wrong, but we're going to make the best of it. I also wanted to show you guys how I set up chairs for parties. I did block off the patio and pantry. I don't really like people going into my pantry during parties, and the patio, I really don't want kids out there either because the ground still does get dusty out there. It's an outdoor patio. And the furniture is white, so y'all know kids love putting their feet on couches, so I just blocked that area off. My dad and my mom and another guest that they brought with them did end up sitting out there, but you know, adults aren't going to do the same things that kids would. Now I'm starting to put up the tinsel curtain. Looking back at it now, I probably should have got 2 sets for each window because you can still see through. But I normally only do this at the front door and the laundry room. But I wanted to do it like this time. Oh, I had to keep stopping because the balloon delivery was coming in. Ruby is also off camera getting all my clips for the reel, so you see me kind of like stopping, giving her directions. She's great at taking pictures, you guys all know that, but now she's learning how to record reels.
Driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby.
I haven't even said the theme of the party. It's Demon Slayer. Sultan had a Demon Slayer party 2 years ago, but the new season just came out and finished, so we're all hyped up about Demon Slayer again. The one that we ordered from Amazon was supposed to be just like this, but with the characters hanging at the bottom, and they didn't send us that, and I had these left over from either my New Year's party or divorce party, so luckily we had these so I could use them. Now it's time to put out the balloons. I ordered my balloons from Party City. These are five sets of 15, and I did them all pink and black with this stagger effect. I always like that one the most. I wasn't expecting them to put the 9 with also balloons, but it turned out really cute. Now Ruby and I are setting up for Instagram Reels again. We just did like a quick before and after for setting up the snacks and candy. I'll come back later to fill it with the candy and the snacks. I just didn't want to put it out too early before guests arrived. Usually we do goodie bags, but we had so much candy already. I ordered the candy from Party City too, so it's like bulk size. I thought I would just set the bags out, and as the kids are leaving, they can fill their bags with candy. This was the only thing that we could use, and oh, the gift bags too, but this wasn't what we ordered. It kind of looks like a shower curtain in person, so me and Ruby were kind of laughing as I was putting it up. It'd be cool if it didn't say happy birthday on it. Obviously it's for her birthday, but I mean to use it again, because I don't know if we're ever going to have another Demon Slayer party, possibly. But now I'm putting up the tinsel curtain over the laundry room way. I like to cover that area because I usually have laundry there. I brought some of the snacks out. Now I'm putting the sodas at the bottom of the basins, and right before guests come, I will put ice over the top. I took some time to get ready and get in costume. I am Muzan. He is the master of all the demons, the most powerful so far, I think. And he's my favorite character. I always end up falling for the villain. Well, we all have. Every time he comes on screen, we do scream and like straighten up. He's just so powerful. And we were talking about this yesterday. Like, he is a 2D character and we all like are at attention every time he comes on screen. But yeah, we're all obsessed with Demon Slayer. This is him from season 1. He randomly popped up in a kimono dressed as a woman and I was just like, I have to do that.
We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside.
I have everything set out now pretty much, so I'll have to add ice to the waters and the sodas. And we also did get Marco's pizza and wings. And here is the birthday girl. She's turning 9. She's dressed as Nezuko after a battle. I think this is from season 2. Emir, my son, isn't here yet, but he went as Giyu Tomioka, and Ruby is Inosuke season 2. And this is how everything turned out. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.